Hi, this is Daniel on behalf of Expert Village. In this clip, we're going to be marking for our strike. Now, they do make templates which you can put over them and actually tap them with a hammer, and it creates the outline for you. But since most people don't have those, we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. Now, this is the strike that came with the deadbolt that we're installing. Now, because this is only an inch and 3/8 door, our hole sits right against the side here. So what we need to do is just put our strike plate up and line it up so that it's pretty much centered in the hole as much as possible. We're going to put our largest holes on the inside of the door because that's where most of the strength needs to be. Now, this door technically can't be kicked in because it closes from the outside. All we're going to do is we're going to outline our strike with a Sharpie, and then we're also not going to worry about our holes. We don't need to mark these because we're actually going to chisel out that wood that would be in that place. As you can see, we've marked it. We can fill that in, and now we're ready to go ahead and bore that hole out with a chisel.